Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Journeys to Wisdom and Wealth. My name is Tara. If you're new, welcome. If you're not new, welcome back. You know you're part of the what? Grateful gang. Grateful gang. Grateful gang. Grateful gang. If you're not a part of Grateful Gang, we'd love to have you over here. It's free $99. It costs you nothing to hit that red subscribe button. Over here, we do digital budgeting as well as tracking all our expenses in our A6 Clever Fox binder. We have variable cash envelopes that we stuff, but we're charging everything to the credit card, girl. We got lots of saving challenges, things. We got things, honey, over here. So if any of that interests you, hit the subscribe button. Today, we're actually going to be talking about my May challenge for fitness, y'all. And it's really just for me because I'm not in any space to tell somebody how to eat well. I'm not a nutritionist, or else I would have a body yaddy yaddy. And I don't. But the whole point of this is to get one, to get better, to get healthy, to get fit, because health is wealth. It makes no sense to save all this money, have emergency funds, and we can't even go nowhere. You know what I'm saying? We can't even spend our money because we're not here to, because we got a stroke or we had a heart attack or we died. You know, these are just real life things. And for me personally, like wanting to travel and stuff like that, I get anxiety because of the seatbelt situation on the plane. And if I was just smaller, I wouldn't have that anxiety because I know that my seatbelt would fit. And that's just personal to me. So with all that being said, I don't want to be here really long. I just want to really quickly, like my girl EJ says, let you guys know what this challenge is about. I have already created a little Instagram post. If you don't follow me on Instagram, definitely do, because more than likely I will update you on Instagram like what I've done, and I will update you over here too. Y'all already see me putting my post for our active April, which only requires 2 to 3 days of movement right now. But this is about to change in May. So the May challenge, basically, the May workout challenge is called Move Your Body May. All right, move your body, yaddy. Move your body, y'all. So all you have, these are the guidelines. Do whatever works best for you, but these are the guidelines that I will be following. There will be 5 days of movement. Movement can be whatever you want. I didn't give you a timeline. I didn't give, if you do a 30-minute walk, if you do a 15 to 20-minute walk on your lunch break, you can classify movement and activity any way that you choose. It could be you was outside mowing your lawn for 20 minutes. It could be that. So 5 days of activity. I do want you to have a rest day or 2 in there. So it could be 5 or more days, but I don't know if you want to do 7, but I am not, like I said, dietitian, nutritionist, trainer. Do whatever works for you. No chips, no soda, no candy. I was very lenient with the no candy because it almost said no sugar. Then I said, Tara, let's be for real. Their birthdays, their events. So if you want to do cake, or I wouldn't suggest it. Like, I'm going to really try to lessen the sweets in general. But if we're having cake one day, it's not going to kill me to have it one day. But I'm struggling with candy right now. So that's why I said no candy. Try to eat healthy. We all know what healthy is. Lean meats, and healthy carbs, like sweet potatoes, rice is healthy, brown rice healthy, all the brown options, whole wheat things, so that type of stuff. And then eat your fruits and veggies. Try to have try to have some fruits and some veggies in your day, and drink your water, because you ain't having the soda, right? I could have said juice too, but I'm going to just say soda. And then last but not least is, if you're a believer in Jesus Christ, you pray to God for help. I know I will be, because a lot of this stuff on this list is very challenging for me, especially the chips. I will be praying every day. And I mean, it's going to be something small like, Lord, thank you so much for waking me up this morning. I'm going to need you today. Please send the Holy Spirit today to help me not have any of these things that I'm not supposed to have today. Give me the strength and the courage of the Lord, okay? And then for me, now those are all the challenge rules. Here's the things that I'm doing extra for myself. I'm going to attempt a 16 plus hour of fasting, 16 hours or more of fasting, probably just 16. If I don't always hit it, I don't always hit it. It is what it is. Like I said, healthy carbs, and your hashtags that you can use if you want it. Please tag me on Instagram. My Instagram is below in the description. Tag me on Instagram if you're doing it. Tag me on YouTube if you're doing it and you're going to put your things up there. You can hashtag Move Your Body May, and you can hashtag Health is Wealth. I really want to see you. I know a lot of you have already. Let me know. Some of these people, I'm going to put them up here on the screen. They've already let me know they're in and they're going to be doing it with me. I'm super duper excited for them to join in and do this with me. So I expect to see your posts, your check-ins, whatever you're going to do. I expect to see that. So let me know down in the comments here on this video if you'll be doing Move Your Body May with me. If you do some variation of it, that's fine too. That's just what I came up with. And I do plan on doing Just Move May, not just Move June, or Just Do It June, something like that. I haven't completely decided yet. But if you're not mentally in the space to do it for May, prepare yourself for June, because we will be going, honey. Going. That's it. You guys know what's going on, because when I did Active April, I feel like I just started doing it and didn't do an official video to let you guys know what was going on. But that's what we're doing this upcoming month. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Remember, in order to be great, you have to be grateful. I'm super duper grateful for you. Have a wonderful, blessed day. Remember, it's faith over fear this year, but not just this year, but what? Forever, forever, ever, forever, ever, a, ever, forever, ever, forever, ever, a. Bye. Just love you, mean it, boy.